Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video I'm going to show you how to fill up or top off your wiper fluid in your Kia. This happens to be a 2018 Kia. Should be the same thing for like a 17 and some of the other models. This isn't a very hard thing to do, but if you're a soccer mom or a desk jockey, I really can't make fun of desk jockeys because I'm kind of a desk jockey myself, but I know my way around a ranch. So if you're one of those guys, this is what the video is for. It's to show you where the wiper fluid reservoir is located in your Kia and how to fill it up. You know, it can be a little intimidating when you lift the hood of a car these days, and there's a lot going on under there. So don't want you to fill up the wrong thing, so I'll show you where it's located. So like I said, this is a 2018 Kia. So your washer fluid reservoir is right here. This is your radiator reservoir. You know, it's not really underneath the plastic shroud like a lot of the old cars were. The overflow is right here for the radiator on this particular car. So to top it off, it's pretty easy. You just lift the cap off and take your wiper fluid, and I believe it holds a whole gallon. So you can pour it in until it comes flying out all over the place. No, I'm only kidding. You want to fill it up so it's a little under that blue cover. I get it. This one wasn't rocket science, but some people just might not know, so I'm here to help you out. That's how you fill up the wiper fluid in your Kia Sportage. So just make sure in the winter that you always have your your washer fluid topped off, because you know, especially if you live in the northern parts of the country, there's a lot of sand on the road, there's a lot of salt on the road. If you're going down the highway, it's easy to get the whole windshield covered in salt to the point where you can't see anything. You might have a little bit of ice on the windshield, so if you come out in the morning and there's just like a little bit of ice from the trees or something like that, it'll, you know, if you have de-icer fluid, it might help to get some of the ice off the windshield for you. That way there you'll be able to see a little bit better as you're going down the road. You know, it's a simple thing. The wiper fluid's only a couple bucks usually at a gas station or store. So just keep it topped off. Hope you liked the video. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave a comment or a question. I will reply back to you. Don't forget to sub the channel. We got a lot of great stuff coming out. And like the video if you like it. And I will see you next time.